Good morning, students. I hope you all are well and staying at home. Today we will discuss about data handling with some new topics. In this topic, we will discuss about circle graph or pie chart. A circle graph represents data in a circular form. A circle graph shows the relationship between a whole and its parts. It is divided into sectors. Each sector visually represents an item in a data set of match the amount of the item as a percentage or fraction of the total data set. Now, how to draw a pie chart? In step 1, calculate the angle of each sector using the formula. In second step, draw a circle using a pair of compass. In step 3, use a protractor to draw the angle for each sector. In step 4, label the pie chart and all its sectors. So by using all these steps, we draw a pie chart of given data. Now, first of all, we calculate an angle of a pie chart. So, calculate the angle of each sector using the formula. Angle of sector is equal to frequency of data upon total frequency multiply 360 degree. Here main important thing is that total angle should add up to 360 degree, because in case of circle total angle add up to 360 degree. So we multiply here by 360 degree. For this pie chart, we consider an example. In a school, there are 750 students in year 1, 420 students in year 2 and 630 students in year 3. Draw a circle graph to represent the number of students in these groups. For this solution, we first add up all the students, means total number of students is 750 for first year plus 420 for second year and 630 for third year, and the total sum is 1800. Now for year 1, size of angle, or we can say that central angle, is equal to 750. 750 is the number of students of year 1 upon 1800. 1800 means total frequency or total number of students multiply 360. After solving it, we got 150 degree. In year 2, size of angle is 420 upon 1800 multiply 360. That is equal to 84 degree. In year 3, size of angle is 630 upon 1800 multiply 360. After solving it, we get 126 degree. So, by this method, we find its central angle for each year. Now we draw pie chart of this example. Thus the pie chart of previous slide data may be presented as given below. First of all, according to the steps we discussed earlier, we draw a circle and by using protractor we make the angle of different years. For year 1, we draw the angle of 150 degree, and for year 2, we draw the angle of 84 degree, and year 3 we draw the angle of 126 degree. So these are the groups of students in a school which we locate in a circle, or we say these are pie chart. You may take the radius of or draw the circle of any radius. It's your choice. It depends on your choice. I hope you all understand about this topic. I will come with my next video. Thank you for watching it.